Bullish estimates for how much Vechain will cost in 2030 run from 10 cents to 19 cents. Experts in the market think that VET could reach 7 cents by 2025. Bearish since Vechain's humble beginnings in 2015, the market price forecast for 2023 is 1 cent per link in the chain. The Vechain network has grown and is quickly getting the attention of people all over the world. Currently, more than 30 Fortune 500 companies, including BMW, Deloitte, PwC, Walmart, LVMH, and Renault, have real arrangements on Vechain. This guide will tell you everything you need to know about how much Vechain will cost. Vechain is still trying to figure out what it is, from its parts to the value of specialized research that can be verified, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. What does Vechain mean? Vechain is a blockchain stage work that was made by the company itself to help the leaders of the production network and make business processes smoother. Bright Liu, a former CIO of Louis Vuitton, set up the stage in 2015. In the beginning, the VET token only worked on the Ethereum blockchain. However, the founders had bigger goals in mind. In 2018, Vechain changed its name and moved on to its own public blockchain, changing all of its VEN tokens to VET and adding the Vechain gas token. Since then, it has grown into a project-based, multi-coin IoT and production network. It uses two main tokens, the feed chain Thor Energy token and the Vechain token, to move value around the system. According to Vechain's white paper, the two-token system was set up to give decentralized application developers a reliable model and make sure good administration. The Vechain white paper explains that the platform's main goal is to make information clear and useful. It also plans to be an IoT go-between and in front of initial coin contributions made with Vechain. Cost of Vechain is worth 2 cents right now. USD BET has changed 1.66% so far, and $38,209,683 have been traded. The chain is currently ranked 38 among all digital currencies, with a market value of $1,588,248,336 USD. Our cost estimate gauges utilize continuous Vechain market information, and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. The expected value of the chain in 2023, from some points of view, Vechain's rise is one of the most surprising things to happen this year. The VET cost estimate for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 3 cents. Like other digital forms of money, the rise will be steady, but there won't be any big drops. 3 cents is a high average price, but it's possible sooner rather than later if coordinated efforts and improvements go as planned. The base price of a VET is supposed to be 2 cents. The chain value expectation for 2024 out of 2024 has a lot of room to grow because of the expected announcements of many new organizations and drives. We think the price of VET will soon go above 5 cents, but we should wait to see if the VET's general strength record comes out of the oversold zone before making any bullish bets because the market is unstable. VET will trade with a base price of 4 cents and an average price of 4 cents. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, the chain's value could hit 7 cents, and VET could profit if the market goes down. The goal is for the exchange rate to be between 7 cents and 6 cents on average in 2025. This may not happen. The expected value of the chain in 2026 if Vechain works well. Cryptocurrency fans think that the price of VET coins could stay stable for the next 5 years. According to our projections, VET will be green in 2026, which is when VET is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. The virtual cash will be worth 10 cents in 2026, with a starting cost of 8 cents and an average cost of 9 cents. Vechain Value Prediction 2027, based on broad Guanjing and specialized research, we think that the VET cost will cross an average value level of 11 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 11 cents expected before the end of the year. Also, the most valuable VET is worth 12 cents. Vechain value prediction for 2028, based on things that are supposed to happen by 2028, we think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around 13 cents. If VET manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a high of 14 cents. If VET doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, we could see a low of 13 cents. The chain value prediction for 2029 says that while VET is trying to make it easier for organizations to talk to each other, the bullish trend from last year is likely to continue. The base exchange cost has been set at 15 cents, and the annual cost is expected to be close to 16 cents in 2029. The chain's expected value in 2030. Vechain will finally do better than its past ADH values and set a new price level. The base price could be 17 cents, and the highest price could be 19 cents. The average price will be 18 cents. Vechain worth expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be very unstable, which is one of the many reasons why cost determining as a troublesome error makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker prices with accuracy, but all forecasts shouldn't be taken as monetary counsel and you should dire in 2031. We expect digital money to be accepted in many places. In that case, the highest VET cost is expected to be 22 cents. Determination, the combination of DLT and an IoT in Vechain has made a big difference in the growth of the world economy. Energizer researchers all over the world have paid attention to Vechain's successful use of blockchain technology in real products. Chinese companies were some of the first to take advantage of this potentially progressive innovation, and industry giants like Walmart China, BMW Group, and PwC are all using Vechain's capabilities with predictable results. This Bitcoin model could probably be used everywhere soon. What is the price of Vechain today? The price of Vechain today is 2 cents. And the total market size is $1,588,848,336. This is a good way to go. Last year, Vechain was one of the most talked about coins in the crypto space. Because of this, it's a good idea to invest in VET. How high could Vechain go? The average price of Vechain could reach 3 cents this year. Over the next 5 years, it's expected that Vechain could do better than 14 cents. How much will Vechain be worth in 5 years? Since digital